All right, so you have a 2006 Chrysler Pacifica and something's wrong with the radio. I don't know why, but there's a lot of radios going bad in these cars. So I was gonna take out this radio and I already took off one panel on the other side, and I said, wait, let me show these people over here how to do it. So I'm gonna get a screwdriver and we're gonna pop this out like that, and then we're gonna pull up. And there it is. Okay, so from here on you have these 4 Phillips screws. Let me take them off. This thing just comes right out. Pretty simple. You got your antenna and your 1 plug, and that's it, man. Super easy. Don't pay that $100 to your local audio to change out this radio. It only takes 10 minutes. All right, guys, girls, be good.